plant a seed like this?
No.
A huge red thing coming out of it.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I don't think I found something like that. Doesn't that kind of look like a zakubasa?
Não tem que fazer trabalho ali. So now you're gonna turn on the bottom one?
Yeah.
Can you show me like a handful of this?
Sure.
What seeds are there?
We have corn, sunflower, pork beans, crotalaria. There's a variety of crotalaria and some regular beans as well. You can kind of see there. I think maybe carioca.
Aham.
Yeah.
Feijão,
there's
milho.
feijão, milho,
Cotalária, cotalária.
tem mucuna também, labi-labi, que é uma trepadeira.
Que lindo.
É,
E aí vocês estão fazendo eles compridos.
compridas, sim.
Oh wow, what you found there? Wow, this is olha que linda.
He's
Wow.
going up.
Wow, fine, hold. Oh, I'm trying to focus on him. Bring him closer. Come on.
Camera shy.
Yeah, focus. There you go. Não mexe não, tira.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Tá bonito demais. There you go. Beautiful work.
There are a lot of these. I don't know what they are, but there's many different colors and patterns. Wow, I don't know what they are either. But I've never saw them.
This is the feijão de porco.
Pisales.
Could be. But we did a wrong pruning. Usually the pruning because you kind of want it to be bushy. So you take the pods out, then you take the new shoot out. You leave, that's basically what you cut. Then I was learning. Some of the way to cut as well, you cut in the beginning when they stand on it. I'm not sure if this is the but when they give you like 3 leaves, you chop it off. And then it's gonna grow again, you go. But that's so you just take the new shoots and you take where the seeds are gonna come. But we did the opposite. We took a bunch of the old shoots and we let it go up.
Yeah.
That's really not the idea because now there's kind of too much sun here.
Banana's doing great here, though.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, the bananas are beautiful.
Yeah.
They're strong.
There's 2 little ones. Coming out of it. Yeah, look at this. I don't know what it is.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and this other one.
This is so interesting.
Look at this. Look like a lungs, huh? The veins.
Oh wow, this is beautiful.
Very cool.
Wow. So interesting.
Right?
This is sprouting from this.
Yeah.
Wow. Gorgeous.
Yeah. So I think the chopping and dropping like that. I think the next one is that one. So all the way, everything. This one here.